Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by picking a world with both a corruption or crimson and an underground desert in reachable range. That increases titanium spawn chance once hard mode triggers. Immediately prepare. Craft spelunker potions or use aura-revealing gear and carry decent pickaxe power to mine veins fast. Once done, head to the underground desert after you make the world hard mode, because titanium only appears as an underground or post-hard mode. Make sure to mine methodically across the sandstone layers and adjacent caves. After defeating the wall of flesh, you must let the world convert to hard mode. This changes ore tables so titanium can spawn. Once hard mode is active, prioritize the underground desert and neighboring cavern strata because titanium replaces some pre-hard mode ores there. Use bombs or a mining potion to excavate quickly. Also sweep horizontally because veins are irregular. Make sure to cross-check with Spelunker Glow so you don't miss pockets. If you see alloy veins, follow them and mine until the vein ends. Once you find titanium ore, mine all connected blocks and smelt them at a hard mode anvil to get bars for gear. If you search long and find none, remember ore distribution is seeded. Try creating a few small worlds or rerolling seeds to increase odds quickly. Also back up your world file before heavy modifications and use map scanning tools or methodical tunnel grids to ensure coverage. If veins seem missing, verify you are below the surface in cavern depth and that hard mode conversion completed properly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.